How to activate Milestone Credit Card. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, to activate your Milestone Credit Card, visit the official activation website. Start by visiting official Milestone Credit Card activation page. Open your preferred browser and in the search bar search for milestonecard.com/activate. Ensure you enter the URL correctly to avoid landing on the wrong page or encountering security issues. Once you reach the milestonecard.com/activate page, you will be prompted to log in to your Milestone credit card account. If you are a new user, you may need to register or create an account first. Next, after logging in, you will need to enter specific details of your Milestone credit card to proceed with the activation process. This information usually includes the card number, expiration date, and the CVV code. Make sure you enter all the details accurately to avoid any errors during the activation process. For security purposes, you may be required to verify your identity. This step could involve answering security questions, receiving a verification code on your registered phone number or email, or other verification methods. It's crucial to complete this step carefully to ensure your card's security. Finally, after verifying your identity and entering all the necessary card details, you should be able to finalize the activation process. Follow any additional prompts or instructions on the Milestone Card/Activate page. Once you have completed these steps, your Milestone credit card will be activated and ready for use. So, this is how you can activate Milestone Credit Card. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.